In Pune, a reputed school faced growing concerns about security. The once peaceful environment was now filled with anxiety and uncertainty. Parents were worried, and the management was looking for answers. The safety of their children was paramount, and they needed a solution fast. Inside the school, a distracted security guard at the gate let someone enter without checking. This lapse in security was a wake-up call for everyone involved. A parent shakes their head in concern. The trust they had in the school's security measures was dwindling. CCTV cameras blink error. The surveillance system, which was supposed to be the eyes of the school, was failing. The school's existing security services were failing. The gaps in the system were becoming more apparent with each passing day. The management needed a reliable solution, so they contacted Diaz Security Services. They had heard of their reputation for excellence and hoped they could bring peace of mind. A professional Diaz security team arrives at the school in branded uniforms. Their presence alone began to instill a sense of security. They are shown analyzing the premises, pointing at blind spots, and reviewing the current security systems. Their thorough approach was exactly what the school needed. Diaz Security Services conducted a complete security audit and identified the root causes. Inattentive guards. CCTV blind spots. Inattentive guards. CCTV blind spots. The audit was comprehensive, leaving no stone unturned. No visitor management system. The lack of a proper system was a significant vulnerability. Lack of emergency response plans. In times of crisis, the school needed a clear and effective plan. Diaz Security Services implemented a robust, affordable, and comprehensive security solution to ensure everyone's safety. Their plan was detailed and covered all aspects of school security. Uniformed guards stand alert at the school gate, checking IDs. Their vigilance was a reassuring sight for everyone. Parents use a digital visitor management system to register their entry. This new system ensured that every visitor was accounted for. Technicians install advanced CCTV cameras covering every corner. The new cameras provided a comprehensive view of the school premises. Emergency alarms and fire safety systems are set up. These systems were crucial for the safety of everyone in the school. The school became a safer place. The changes were evident and the atmosphere was much more relaxed. Parents were at peace and students felt secure. The sense of safety was palpable. Safe schools, bright futures. The future looked promising with these new measures in place. Appears followed by Diaz Security Services logo. Diaz Security Services, your trusted partner for reliable and affordable security solutions. Their commitment to safety is unmatched. Contact information appears on the screen. Diaz Security Services, 73978688248. Reach out to us for a safer tomorrow.